So hey guys, hello. So I got a squishy package. I'm not gonna flip it over because that's where the address is and stuff. So yeah, and I'm really excited because this seller had a lot of good reviews, but kind of worried because she did have some weird questions when I bought from her, and yeah, and she told me, I don't know why, but she told me all her good reviews were her friends. And that made me nervous. And she told me that when this was almost here, like it was almost here, it was like an hour more to wait. So I was kind of nervous about that, but not really worried because, let me rephrase that, I am worried. So yeah, let's get on to this video. Sorry it's orange. When my camera sees orange things, everything becomes orange. So, and this is an orange bag. So, let's get started. I'm gonna let you guys take the first peek. I'm gonna look away for this. I just gotta open it. I'm not gonna look. I don't know what's inside. So there you go. I'm not looking. There's some squishies. You probably see them. Really excited. Okay. And by the way, the squishies. One of the squishies I got is in packaging. Okay, so now I'm going to take a look. Ooh, I see some extras. So, is this a note? No, some paper. Is there a note in here? This is just paper. So I guess like mixed stuffing or something. More paper. Ooh, I can feel some cookies. Okay, here's something. That's writing. Oh, my items. Okay. Sorry, my babies are behind me. Alright, let's read the items. So, let's see. Here's the paper. Items. Okay, it says Day of the Week Squishies, and they were minis for $15, which is kind of expensive for, there were only 7 squishies, and they were really small, like they were smaller than, I think, and they were $15, and everything on her page was supposed to be cheap, and I don't think that's very cheap. Yeah. And then I got a kawaii fish squishy, which was a jumbo, and it was $5, and that shocked me, so of course I had to buy it. But I've never heard of a kawaii fish squishy, so that confused me, but I don't know, I just bought it because it was squishy that I've never heard of it, and it was jumbo. So yeah, and those were my items. You can pack a note is what I'm doing, because I kind of want a note. I see some extras in there. Is this a note? Yep, note. She didn't put an E on it, but it says note. Let's see. Note. No refunds. Don't contact if there are problems. Okay. So she said no refunds, and don't contact if there are problems. Are there problems? Hope not. More stuff in here. Stuffing, I guess. More. Alright, that was everything. Okay, I see an extra. It was this little fish. Kind of like rubbery. Okay. Wait. It's pink. Can't really tell. Yes, you can. Let me squish it. The eyes come out. Hold on. The eyes come out. That's kind of cool. But I'm kind of worried. Is this my kawaii fish squishy? It's not a real squishy because there's an air hole and it's air inside, not foam. There's like a hole in the fin. A little hole. here. See it? Little hole in the fin. That's confusing. I hope this isn't my Hawaii squishy. Let's get another squishy. I'm gonna try not to look inside because I don't really want to get disappointed. This isn't a week. This is a month, and it has Velcro on the back, and it's cotton inside, and it's not even like squishy. It's slow rising. Like, what the heck is this? Well, that's concerning. I hope this isn't an extra also because I didn't order months. I ordered like day of the weeks, and that's what I got. Okay, well that's concerning. I hope these two are extra. So let's get. Okay, now this is really concerning because now I got November, which is the same exact thing. It's not even like a squishy. It has Velcro on the back. It's like a pillow and there's stitching in it. And it's cotton inside. Cotton inside. And it's not even squishy. So, January. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's the same thing. It's not even squishy.
Why is it whenever you first burn a fire, it has that funny smell?
Alright, I'm just gonna pull all my dump them all out. Hey, look, they're not day of the weeks. They are all months with the Velcro. What? And this wasn't extra. This was my kawaii fish. So it is a fish, but it's not kawaii, and it's not even a squishy. And where's my note? Oh, items for me. No, that's my note. Items. Oh, right here. All right, hold on. I paid $5 for that, and it was supposed to be jumbo. It's mini. And the days of the week, I paid $15 for these things. What the heck? And the worst thing about this is it's a spoof. Got you guys. So probably not because it's in the title. So anyway, this is a spoof. I didn't really get pranked. These are from like a calendar thing. And this is just something I got from the dentist. That I thought was kind of funny that the eyes pop out. See the eyes pop out? So, I had a keychain. That's why there was a hole in. Because the keychain fell out. There's holes up there. So, yeah. This is a spoof, guys. So, don't worry. I didn't really get scammed. I did get scammed once in real life. But it wasn't really a scam. It just had, like, defects in it and stuff. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe. And sorry for all the copyright noises. I'm just flushing up quicker. And in the comments below, let me know if you've ever really, like, not seen kind of scam, but if you really got scammed in your life. And if you have, I feel really bad for you guys because I know, like, it feels awful. Like, I know because kind of happened to me. Like, I got all my squishies, but they weren't, like, what they were supposed to be. Like, my lollipop squishy, the sprinkles weren't supposed to be foam. They were supposed to be sequins. And yeah, it was supposed to be more squishy. So, bye!